masipag na chairperson, Ma'am Hazel.
Magandang umaga po.
And then, Mr. Raul Montemayor of FFCI. Good morning, sir. Mr. Raul Socrates Banzuela of Pakisama. Good morning po. And then Mr. Venancio Garde Jr. of SRI.
Yes, good morning po.
Mr.
Yes.
Garde. Hello.
Hindi po ma'am,
First time
bali
ko
pang
nag-attend
second ko na po ito.
Welcome. Okay, sige. Good morning, sir. And then Miss Karen of SRI also. And then Miss Aurea Miklat Teves of NFC, National Food Coalition. Yes, of course, Mr. Senen Reyes of UANP. Good morning, sir.
Good morning, everyone.
Mr. Gil Domingo.
Good morning po.
You are from,
C-Rice.
sir?
C-Rice.
Thank you. Okay, again. C-Rice, opo. Thank you. Mr. Dennis Arroyo of Pilmays. Good morning, sir. Mr. Jesus Las Marias of Clorpa. Good morning, Sir Jess.
Good morning. Hello.
Yes, of course. Miss Karen Lee Hizaola of C-Rice. And Miss Rhea Teves of PDI. Good morning, sir.
Ma'am yan.
Sorry, ma'am. Good morning. C-Rice po siya. Okay. Good morning, ma'am. We have also from PhilRice, RCEP Seeds program. Good morning, ma'am. And from Region 3, we have Mr. Francisco Hernandez. Good morning, sir.
Morning, ma'am. Good morning.
Mr. Rapsi Rice Memaropa. Good morning po. Mr. Adalberto Baniged. Good morning, sir, from Region 9, Rapsi.
Maayong buntag sa tanan.
Okay. From RCEP, Mr. Apollo Domingo. Good morning po. Miss Ruth Abellanosa. Then we have Miss Tricia Cabado. And then the rest po ay PICAF Technical Secretariat. And that's all po. Welcome to the meeting and enjoy lang po.
Morning,
Thank you.
Joby.
Good morning, sir.
Okay. So, maraming salamat, Jovi, for the highlights of... okay. So, we go to the proposed agenda. Baka may... Ayan. Okay, so for today, yung matters arising from the previous meeting will include the second regular meeting results, no, and also yung special meeting. So, number one is yung clustering and convergence initiatives of the DA for the rice sector. So, we will have an update on this. And then, to be followed, sorry, bakit nawala? And also the updates on the resolutions that we endorse, yung committee endorsed nung special meeting on the price cap, no? So, yun. Also, our regular topics for this meeting, the third quarter, is we will have an update on the NSC rice policy resolutions. I think this is regarding yung RCEP, constitution of an RCEP, sorry. Ano na nga, Ire? What's this about, Marcela? yung participation of the private sector in the RCEP review.
Yes po.
And then, yung action plan for the implementation based on the mid-year assessment results. And then, we will have a presentation from NFA on the status of buffer stocks and yung current guidelines for NFA procurement using the increase buying price. Next, we will also have a discussion on the position of the DA regarding the amendment of the Seed Industry Development Act. I was told that there was a TWG on this, and the DA through the BPI has prepared yung kanilang the position. So maybe we can hear from BPI later. And then updating on the Philippine, sorry, but may nagbablock tong aking updating on the Philippine national standards ba to? Ayan, relative to the rice industry. So we will have a presentation from BAPS. And then for the other matters, I am proposing also to include maybe an update on the president just approved the use of the excess tariff of 700 million for CCT. So maybe we can hear from the Office of USEC Leo or anyone from NRP on the guidelines, proposed guidelines for this. And kung meron pang ibang proposed other matters from the floor, you are welcome to suggest.
Madam Chair, may we recognize?
Yes po. Sino po yan? Si Mr. Jess. Tama?
Oh, yes, okay.
Okay.
It's like this, no? The IRC International Rice Congress will happen on the 16th up to the 19th of this month. And naturally, the country will be on focus here. And the president will of course be attending there, and he might even be opening the event. Ang problema natin ay ano ang may tutulong natin sa presidente, ano ang kanyang maaaring i-report sa International Rice Congress na masasabi natin na magandang bagay naman tungkol sa pagpaparay dito sa ating bansa. Meron ba tayong maisasuggest sa presidente na kanyang maaaring i-report sa IRC? Yun lang.
Okay. So that's a suggestion for the other matters. Namaya. Kung sige, we will have if we have time, we will try to collect ideas from the floor.
Madam Chair,
Sige po. Yes, Mr. Banikid.
I move for the approval of the agenda as corrected.
So there's a motion for the approval. Any second?
Second the motion.
Okay. I would also like to hindi pa po ba na-recognize, nandito rin po si RAFC Regional Region 3 Sectoral Chair ng RICE, si Mr. Nestor Garcia. And also we have Rowena, si Weng sa Deacon of Prism joining, she just joined. Sige, welcome. Okay, so going back to our agenda, can we go to the minutes of the highlights of the previous meeting? It was already emailed sa inyo, so we will dispense with the reading of the minutes. So kindly, if you